Welcome back to our channel, and today we have a super interesting video whereby we're going to be discussing about the blueprint to financial freedom, step-by-step guide, and all the images that you are seeing on this video are AI generated for the purpose of representation and also for the purpose of educational. So let's dive in without wasting any time. Now, are you ready to take control of your finances and build a brighter future? Let's dive in. Look, many of us dream of being financially free, living life on our own terms without worrying about money. But how do we turn this dream into reality? First, let's dive in and define what financial freedom truly means. It is all about having enough resources to live the life you want, free from debt and financial stress. Assessing your current financial situation is the crucial first step. Take stock of your income, expenses, assets, and also debt to understand where you stand. Are you living paycheck to paycheck? Are you drowning in debt? Or are you already on the path to financial independence? Understanding your starting point is key to creating a plan for the future. Now, next, set smart financial goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether it is paying off debt, saving for retirement, or starting a business, clear goals will keep you focused and motivated. Imagine what your ideal financial future looks like, then break it down into actionable steps. A budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. Track your income and expenses to ensure you are living within your means and allocating funds wisely. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself, it is about giving every dollar a job and prioritizing what's important to you. With the right budgeting tools and mindset, you can take control of your money and achieve your financial goals faster. Now, building an emergency fund is essential for wealth during life's unexpected storms. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses to handle emergencies without resorting to high interest debt or dealing with your financial funds. Start small if you need to, but make building your emergency fund a top priority. Now, debt can be a major roadblock on the path to financial freedom. High interest debt, like credit card debt, can drain your resources and hold you back from achieving your goals. That's why it is important to prioritize debt repayment. Whether you use the debt allocance method, whether you pay off debt with the highest interest rate first, or the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debt first, the key is to make consistent progress towards becoming debt-free. Investing is a key to building wealth and securing your financial future. Start by contributing to retirement accounts like 401k or IRA or whichever one that is in your country, and explore the different investment options to grow your wealth over time. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back from investing. The right knowledge and guidance, you can harness the power of the markets to achieve your financial goals. Whether it is investing in Bitcoin or any other financial trading platforms, you can do it. Passive income streams can provide additional financial stability and freedom. Whether it is rental properties, dividends paying stocks, or online business, passive income allows you to make money while you sleep. By diversifying your income streams and creating multiple sources of income, then you can build wealth more quickly and protect yourself against unexpected setbacks. Finally, monitor your progress and adjust your financial plans as needed. Life is unpredictable and your financial situation may change over time. Regularly review your goals, budget, and investment portfolio and make adjustments as necessary to stay on track. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and keep moving forward. By following these steps, you can achieve financial freedom and create a better future for yourself and your family. So why wait? Start your journey to financial independence today. Thank you for watching, and like I said, all the images that you are seeing on the screen are AI generated for the purpose of education and also entertainment. Until next time guys, I'll see you in my next video. If you're liking the content you want to see more, do me one favor and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next in the next video. Bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.